5 common cleaning mistakes people make when cleaning the toilet and how to fix them. Number 3 is my favorite. Stay tuned to find out. Let's do this. Number 1, before you start cleaning the exterior of your toilet, don't rush with a disinfectant product, especially if the toilet has not been cleaned for days or weeks like this one here. Think of it like mopping without sweeping first. It won't work, right? There might be stray hair or dust like here. Let me show you a cleaning hack that will make you clean your toilet fast and easy. So grab some toilet paper and give the surfaces a quick wipe starting from top to bottom. I know it might seem like extra work, but this will actually save you time, my friend. You won't be dragging hair and dust around, which makes cleaning a daunting task. Look how dusty this is. Ew. See, down here will be dusty too, so you want to take care of that. Once it's clear, go ahead and use your disinfectant cleaner. I'm using this one. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then start your cleaning routine. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Number 2, so the bottom of the toilet seat is a dirt magnet. It's often overlooked, but it's important to clean it up regularly. Otherwise, the dirt can build up and get really nasty. No, we don't want that. Also, if the bottom of your toilet seat isn't sealed, it's like an open invitation for dirt to hang out there. Seal it up to keep the dirt out. Now grab your disinfectant or a cleaning product of your choice, spray around the bottom of your toilet seat like so, and then use your cleaning brush to clean around it. Wipe thoroughly. I like to use Bounty paper towel because it's strong. Repeat the wiping if needed. Look how dead this is. See what I mean? Look at the before and now the after. Huge difference. The transformation is amazing. Number 3, if you're deep cleaning the inside of a very dirty toilet like this one here and using a gel or powder product, don't just apply it directly because it won't penetrate deeply and lift the dirt effectively. Instead, lower the water level first. You can do this with a simple bucket like I'm using here. No fancy equipment needed. See, now that the water is low, you can clean the inside of your toilet bowl without any distractions. Plus, you still have enough water to wet your brush. Now you can go ahead, apply the product and start cleaning. You're welcome. If you have a problem with hard watering inside your toilet bowl, check out this video here. I'll also put the link in the description box below. Number 4, this part of the toilet is often missed when cleaning. Did you know that many toilet seats like this brand here can be removed without screws for a thorough deep clean? You simply pop off the hinge caps and pull the seat out. Look at that. Ew. Now clean with your disinfectant and a detail brush and do the same on the seat. Here's a pro tip. Once every month or 2, depending on how many people use the toilet, or if you're moving into a new house or apartment, remove the toilet lid or seat and give this area a thorough clean. This you will have to submerge it in water so that you can get rid of all the dirt. Now slide the toilet seat back in place and put those hinge caps back on. Number 5, after using the toilet brush, many people put it back in the container while it's still dripping water. This causes the container to collect water, and if it tips over, the dirt water spills out and make a mess, which is not good. Here's a better way. After cleaning, let the brush drip dry like this before putting it back in its storage container. This keeps your container dry and clean. Let me know in the comments if you need part 2 of this topic. Check out this video I suggest next for more valuable content and share this video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.